How to change Siri's name on iPhone iOS 18. In this video, we'll show you how to change Siri's name on your iPhone running iOS 18. First, ensure that your iPhone is updated to iOS 18, as this feature is only available on the latest software. To begin, open the Settings app from your app library and scroll down to find Accessibility, which is located between General and Camera. Once inside Accessibility, scroll down further to the Speech section and tap on Vocal Shortcuts. From there, select Set up Vocal Shortcut and tap on Continue. You will then see the option to change the Siri request. This is where you can assign any name you like to Siri. For example, I'm going to name mine Diana. After entering the name, follow the prompts to train your iPhone to recognize the new name. Once training is complete, Siri will respond to the new name you've chosen. And that's it. You've successfully changed Siri's name on iOS 18. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks for watching.